Hello my friends, thank you for being here with the Hometown Chef. Today we're gonna make a canape. A canape is a small bite appetizer, maybe 1-2 bites, no more than that. And usually is based on a toast bread, a piece of toast bread. It could be a cracker, it could be a little puff pastry. That's the traditional way to do it with some savory stuff. Sometimes it's very simple, sometimes it's more elaborate and complicated. But basically it's a good appetizer to pass when you have a reception, something more formal. It could be for anything. You have some friends at home, it's a good way to, greet them. And good with alcohol, it's very fun. So we're gonna make something my way today, okay? I'm gonna mix 2 different things. I'm gonna do my version of crab meat egg Benedict canape. Okay, that's kind of weird, but I'm gonna get the traditional egg Benedict and I'm gonna completely change that and I'm gonna make it into something different, which is a canape with crab meat. Okay, we're gonna go through the whole process and I hope you enjoy this because we're gonna make more videos and more videos and more videos, and the idea is to have fun in the kitchen and have different ways to do things. Okay, so if you're ready, I'm ready too, so let's do this. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Beautiful canape that we created today. Really creative, different. And I want you to go to the fridge at home, to your pantry, and look everywhere around and look at things that you can create, because that's the whole thing about being a chef. That's the whole thing about being in the kitchen. Have fun and enjoy. So, like our channel and this video, and subscribe and leave your comments. They're important. Leave some suggestions or whatever you want to see that I cook in the kitchen, and we will see each other next time. So thank you for being here.